when I sat down with the Presidential Working Party to realign our education, and when we had very serious challenges, when parents were asking us questions about their transition, the transition of their children from one grade to another, where is junior school going to be? What is going to happen to senior school? I remember very well that the Presidential Working Party had robust conversation with me and my team, and we made the conscious decision that because our children are gifted differently, we must make it absolutely clear that all our children have a stake in Kenya's future, and no pathway was superior to the other. The children who are good in mathematics are as good as the children who are good in art, and all of them must be given an equal chance. And that is why, as we employ teachers, as we plan our budgets, we have made sure that going into the future, all pathways are funded sufficiently.